Would you like to learn how to make some delicious honey, garlic, lemon, pepper chicken thighs? Just like this? You would? Good. Because in this episode of the Lisa D's Delight Show, I'm going to show you how to do it.
Lisa D Delight.
Let's get started by making a seasoning paste for the chicken thighs. I'm going in with some ASIL, which is my own all-purpose seasoning. You can grab you some with the link pinned in the comment section, but if you don't have it, just use some seasoned salt. Also add some lemon pepper, some garlic powder, some onion powder, some smoked paprika, and also some olive oil. The exact ingredient list and measurements and such will be in the description box below. But be sure to taste it and adjust the seasonings to your liking. Now let's season up these clean chicken thighs. Clean your meats, pumpkin. Now get that seasoning all over the chicken thighs. Rub it up, rub it down, flip it up good. If you have the time, it's best to let the chicken marinate overnight in the fridge. But if not, it'll still be okay. I'm gonna cook these thighs in my air fryer oven, but if you don't have one, just put them right on in your air fryer basket. We're gonna cook them for 20 minutes at 350 degrees. In the meantime, let's make us some banging honey garlic sauce. Fire on medium, butter, garlic paste, and honey in the pot. I'm using garlic paste, but fresh garlic is good too. Also add some soy sauce and a little lemon zest, as well as the juice of a lemon. Reduce the heat to low, stir it periodically, let it simmer for about 10 minutes or so, and it'll thicken up as it simmers. Now it's been 20 minutes, and this is what the chicken thighs are looking like. Now it's time to sauce them up real good with that delicious honey garlic sauce. Get them sauced up real good on both sides, and then pop them back in the air fryer for another 10 minutes so that the sauce can tack up nicely. And after that, it's done.
Lisa D Delight.
My God, forever. Won't he do it? Yes, he will, all the time. These honey, garlic, lemon, pepper chicken thighs were pure fire. Just the perfect combination of sweet and savory. You gotta try it. Now let us just take a moment and bask in all this poultry glory.
Lisa D Delight. Lisa D. Lisa D Delight.
I hope you enjoyed the recipe. After all, I was just trying to help you, your palate. God bless you. Bye-bye.
Make sure you like and subscribe. Damn, you make that food look so good. Make sure you like and subscribe. Damn, you make that food look so good. Make sure you like and subscribe. Damn, you make that food look so good. Make sure you like and subscribe.